Welcome to English grammar class, dear students. So I shall begin after taking the pledge. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. A promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. A promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. So dear students, today we are going to begin with chapter number 4, which is articles. So we will read a little bit about articles first. So what are articles? The words a, an, and the are called articles. So these three words which are a, and the are known as articles, indefinite articles. A and an are called the indefinite articles because they do not refer to any specific person or thing. Definite articles. The article the is called the definite article because it refers to a specific person or thing. So now let's begin with the chapter. First of all, we will do this warm-up exercise, which is correct the errors in the use of articles. Some may have two errors. First is she is best singer of all. So we will correct it by placing the before best. She is the best singer of all. The man was diagnosed with the dengue. So here we will correct is the dengue is incorrect and we will remove the. The man was diagnosed with dengue. Aeroplane is fastest means of transport. So we will correct it by placing a and the before aeroplane or the before fastest. So we can use an or the, both of them. The aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. I live in the New Delhi. The New Delhi is incorrect. So we will simply write I live in New Delhi and we will cross the. The gold is a precious metal. The gold is incorrect and we will remove the. Gold is a precious metal is correct. The iron is an useful metal. The iron again is incorrect and we will remove the. And the correct sentence will be iron is an useful metal. The London is a big city. The London is incorrect and we will simply write London is a big city, which is correct. Last night we went to the good restaurant. The good restaurant is incorrect and we will replace the with a. Last night we went to a good restaurant. There is the park near my school. The park is incorrect and we will again replace the with a. There is a park near my school. The patient is making a rapid progress. Here a rapid progress is incorrect and we will simply remove a. And our correct sentence will be the patient is making rapid progress. We are in a trouble. Now, in a trouble is incorrect and we will remove a. So, we will write we are in trouble, which is correct. Do you know the English? The English is incorrect and we will simply remove the. Do you know English? I caught the train to London. A train was late. Now this is again incorrect and we will replace the with a and here a with the. I caught a train to London. The train was late. Now this is correct. He travelled around world. So around world is incorrect and to correct it we will place the before world. He travelled around the world. She lives in the small apartment in a suburb. Now again this is incorrect and we will replace the with a and a with the. She lives in a small apartment in the suburbs. A report he submitted was very exhaustive. A report is incorrect. So we will replace A with the report he submitted was exhaustive. Now this is corrected. Now let's move on to the next page number, which is 22. The topic is indefinite articles. Now we will study about the uses of indefinite articles. So first of all, let's read this note. The article A is used before a noun that starts with a consonant sound. So any noun which is making a consonant sound, it will contain A before it. The article an is used before a noun that starts with a vowel sound. So an will be used before the nouns that makes vowel sound. For example, a European country. Now European is making a consonant sound because European is making a sound by beginning with Z. So we will use A before it. An unusual problem. Unusual is making the sound of A, which is a vowel. So we will use an. An MBA student. MBA is making the sound of A, which is again a vowel. So we will use an. A usual day. Usual is making the sound of Z, which is a consonant. So we will use A before it. An honorable job. Now honorable is making the sound of O, which is a vowel, and so we will use an before it. So this is just a note. So now let's read about the uses of indefinite articles. The article an is used before a singular countable noun when it refers to no particular person or thing. So when we are not referring to any particular person or thing, then we use a or an. For example, I have a car. Now we are referring about any car, not a particular or specific car, just for any car. So we will write a car. The computer is a machine. Now again we are referring to a machine, not a particular or specific machine, just to all the machines. So we will use a. She is an advocate. So we are referring to any advocate. So we will use an before it. Why an? Because this is a vowel. So before the vowels we use an, and before the consonants we use a. Second point is before a singular noun which represents its whole class or species. For example, a student should be disciplined. Now we are referring to all the students, that all the students should be disciplined. So this is why we have used a before it. A pet should be taken care of. Now we are referring to all the pets. So we have used a before pet. To mean one. For example, the car ran at a speed of 60 kilometers an hour. And here an hour means 1 hour. I own a cat and 3 dogs. Here a cat means 1 cat. I own 1 cat. So to indicate membership of a group. For example, he is a teacher. Now teaching is his profession, and teacher is a membership or a group. So we will write a teacher. Brian is a gone. Richard is a practicing Buddhist. Now these are all memberships or groups. Now next is before phrases of time and measurements. For example, I go on holiday twice a week. Now twice a week is a measurement of time. A week. So we have used a week. Tomatoes are rupees 100 a kilo. Now this is a measurement of tomatoes. So we will write a kilo. Our car can go at the speed of 220 kilometers an hour. So now again we are measuring something. What are we measuring? We are measuring speed. So we will write an hour. We have used an because hour is making the sound of O, which is a vowel. So before the vowels we use an. And these were consonants. Week is making the sound of consonant, and kilo is also making the sound of consonants. So that is why we have used a before them. So that's all for today, dear students. All the very best.